Now, the Cockroach Janata Party is set to stage a protest in Delhi over the ongoing CBSE and NEET controversy. The party has announced a demonstration against the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, alleging irregularities and demanding greater accountability in the examination system. CJP founder Abhijit Dipke has arrived in the national capital ahead of the protest and is expected to seek formal police permission for the event. The demonstration will be held at Jantar Mantar, Delhi's designated protest venue, after the Delhi police grants permission. Now, security has been tightened in the area with additional police personnel also deployed ahead of the protest.
Well, the founder of Cockroach Janata Party, Abhijit Dipke, has stated that after he arrives back in India, he will be going to seek a permission from the Delhi police to hold a protest at Jantar Mantar. Right now, we are at the Parliament Street Police Station, and just behind me, you can see there are massive police arrangements that have been made to maintain the security of the entire area. The law and order should remain in control, and therefore the reason perhaps barricading has been done over here outside the Parliament Street Police Station at Sansad Marg, and it is the senior officials of Delhi Police who have stated that only few people will be allowed to go inside, including the Cockroach Janata Party founder Abhijit Dipke, to seek a permission. Whether the permission will be granted or not, it is certainly on the part of the Delhi police. So far, there has been no permission that has been sorted from them. But certainly looking at the kind of demands that the CJP had stated, that they want a resignation from the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, and therefore the reason perhaps they have called the supporters of the Cockroach Janata Party at the Jantar Mantar in large numbers, and for to maintain the law and order situation, there has been massive police arrangements. The spokesperson of the CJP is here at the spot.
Will the tiny cockroach joke turn into a revolution as the Cockroach Janata Party announces it to be? Well, we are here to find out. I'm reporting from Jantar Mantar protest site, where the youth of the country will be arriving shortly. It is the silence before the storm. But let me show you the security arrangements. Heavy barricading here. CISF officials, Delhi police officials have been deployed in large numbers. You can also see the Delhi police bus as well as the mobile command and control vehicles that have been deployed here. And there has been severe barricading in key routes leading to New Delhi, and outside the airport also we saw several Delhi police and CISF officials deployed. So Delhi police is on high alert, but we understand that the Cockroach Janata Party has reiterated it is going to be a peaceful, democratic, loving protest by the youth to demand for educational reforms and the resignation of the Education Minister, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, over the alleged mismanagement over successive examinations, be it NEET, CUET, CBSE, and we also understand that much respected educator and environmentalist Sonam Wangchuk is also going to join the protest, and he has also reiterated that it is going to be a peaceful, non-violence protest.
भाई थोड़ा दूर ऑटो में जुड़े हम लोगों के साथ, क्योंकि पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा है। क्या दूर राज जी बोल रहे थे आएंगे वो।
Yes, Abhijit has landed. He has also tweeted about it. We are hopeful this will be a monumental day in Indian politics, and soon he'll come out. We'll go straight to the police station where he'll be seeking permission from Delhi police, and then we'll sit at Jantar Mantar.